Hey, welcome back everyone. Old Bubs here, and today I am very excited to bring another unboxing to the channel. A new acquisition that we're going to check out together. This is a knife that I was a part of back in the Kickstarter. This here is the Kunwu Pulsar. I'm super excited to get into this and check it out. Check it out. So I have waited a long time to get my hands on this, to share it with you. And on the surface, I think this is going to be just an absolutely killer knife, and one that's quite affordable. Ooh, I like the box. Oh, look at that. Get a nice little pouch. It's got some little flowers on there. Yeah, that'll play. All kinds of stuff. Looks like we have an extra set of springs and a strong spring. Silica gel. And the knife. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So this one is diamond textured titanium. A bar lock style. Wow, that's good. Man. And this one is boasting LMAX steel, which we'll get it to shine in the camera. I promise it says LMAX. LMAX steel, which if you're not familiar is like a brother to M390, also made by Bowler, and it is a little bit of a finer grain structure, so that it's supposed to do a little bit better on edge retention and just a little bit better on toughness as well. How can you go wrong? Seems like LMAX is an underutilized steel. Well, I'm telling you, man, that action is nice. This knife, if you're unfamiliar with Kunwu, which I've been following along with some Kunwu products, but this is the first one that I'm getting to put my hands on. Kunwu is making excellent stuff at a super affordable price range. This guy, I think, is gonna retail for $240, which I would watch some sales, because jumping on a Kickstarter is a great way to get a knife. And that action is so smooth, I'm telling y'all. Man, when I do a full review, I will have tested some of these other spring options, because they're giving you the option to be able to have a little stronger detent. But whoa, straight out of the box, that's great. I mean, it's like, it is a little on the looser side, and some folks might prefer a stronger detent, but man, yeah, if that's as good as it gets, I'm happy. Man, like that pocket clip. Looks like it is reversible for left-handed carry, which makes this a fully ambidextrous knife. Lefties rejoice. This one is for you as well. This is kind of a robust knife. The fits, the ergos are great. Yeah, first impressions wise, this is impressive to hold so far. All right, let's see a couple of size comparisons here. Here it is against a Benchmade bug out. Let's see that, like, we're talking about a really similar size profile with just a little bit more width to the blade, a little bit more girth in the scale. Here it is against Spyderco Para 3. You can see that it's a little bit less odd shaped than a Para 3, a little bit more bullety. Let's put a tape on it. All right, so by my measurement, I'm looking at 7 3/4 overall. Blade length shown right at about 3.5. Cutting edge, let's say we got 3 1/4. All right, I'm gonna pop this on the scale and cut something with it. If you are new or newish to my channel, I am working really hard to bring the most valuable and engaging content that I possibly can. It would mean a great deal to me personally if you would consider hitting that subscribe button. It's a simple act from you, but it serves as an indicator to me that the content I am bringing you is valuable, and it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that other folks should be watching my channel. At the very least, if you'd consider giving that like button a little boop boop, I'd surely appreciate it. This is weighing in at 4.37 ounces. It's a little heavy-handed by some folks' ratios, but it definitely gives that feel. If you're one of those people that likes to know that your knife is there and don't mind that you're going to be able to feel this in your pocket. It's not a super bulky and heavy knife. This diamond textured aluminum, I'm going to do a funny test here, and I'm just going to see how this slides down in my pocket one-handed. Oh, golden! That is beautiful. That's a super beautiful thing. Alright, let's try to cut a damp piece of a shoe catalog. Wow, that edge geometry is good. Coming in hot. Let's see if we can do some curlies. All day. Look at that. Yeah, I am super happy on this edge. And from the perspective of a professional sharpener, I really see a lot of janky edges on knives, and this one is looking pretty good. I'll have to put it through its full scrutiny later. But that grind on there, this blade stock, it's nice and rounded on the back here. So far, first impressions, I am thoroughly impressed. I'm going to put this thing through a series of tests and get back to you with a full review. This knife is just coming out. Since I backed the Kickstarter, I got to get it right at the beginning of people who don't get them early. I purchased this with my own money like I do for all of the knives for now. There are a bunch of variations available, and this is not going to be a limited run. This is going to be a consistent production model for Kunwu. This is the Pulsar. G10 versions I think are going to be under $200 for a super nice Barlock G10 LMAX blade. I think this knife is gonna be hard to beat. I'm gonna let this guy ride shotgun in my pocket for a while, cut some stuff with it. Let me know down in the comments if you think that this one is for you, and above all else, I hope that you let love and light fill your life. I will see you next time.